Hey there, it's Angie and I am back with another home tour out here at Verdana Village. Today we are going to take a look at the Pulte contour. Let's go. So just want to give you an idea of the outside of this home. Very cute little home. And this is one of the smaller offerings from Pulte. And there are going to be multiple options for elevation and all of your upgrades, just like every other Pulte home. Here we go. Okay, I do need to share just one more thing about this contour floor plan, and you know how happy this makes me when you walk in the front door. Check it out. An extra closet. And you might laugh, but your blood thins when you move to Florida and you do need a place for coats for those chilly winter mornings that we have here, or when you head back north to visit. All right, let's go ahead and start working through the house. So right here to the side, you've got a den option. Look at all the light coming into this den, it's awesome. And then we're gonna continue through. You get a nice view through the back lanai. But before we get there, we have bedroom number 2. Actually a very good sized bedroom for the size of this home. And this bedroom does come with a little walk-in closet. And we've got the full bath right outside of bedroom number 2 and right off of the main living area. So that is your guest bathroom as well. So great little kitchen, a big island, you know, for the size of this home. It's 1,400 square feet and up. You still get a good amount of counter space and a lot of cabinets. So as you can see here, Verdana Village is a gas community. So we don't always see that here in Southwest Florida. A nice open living here. Got your dining area. I do like how many windows. There is a lot of natural light that comes into this home. That is gonna all be standard. And you do get a pantry. So there is a pantry, which is great. We're gonna head on back here to the primary bedroom. And right off the primary bedroom is your dedicated laundry room. So they added some upgrades in there with the storage, but very convenient location. And again, large windows here, lots of natural light in the primary bedroom. They've upgraded here with a tray ceiling, in-wall speakers, obviously all the beautiful trim work that it can be done after closing. And then we're gonna come on in here and check out the primary bathroom. So they do have the walk-in shower. There are multiple options for shower frames that when you go through building a home with Pulte, you do get the double sink. They've chosen white cabinets and quartz counters in here. And then at the end of the bathroom is the good size walk-in closet here. And we have a nice triple slider here that opens up out onto the covered lanai. This floor plan has a nice covered lanai option. As you can see, it's a pretty good size. And they have added on the extension. So there is no pool. This is showing you how you could set it up without having the pool, because if you're familiar with Verdana Village at all, you know there's gonna be an amazing community pool, plus a couple satellite pools. So just give you a little peek so you can kind of get an idea of how the landscaping typically looks. This is on a water lot facing southern. The other models, as you can see, bump out a little farther because they do have the addition of the pool. So what did you think of the contour? Is this a floor plan that would work for you? Oftentimes the homes that we show are a little larger, over 2,000 square feet. And just wanted to give you an idea of one of the smaller floor plans that are available out here with Pulte at Verdana Village. You can always reach us on social media. You can leave comments below. You can schedule time with us directly at Calendly. If there's anything that we can do in your home search, considering moving to or living here in Southwest Florida. You can reach me directly at 239-246-2322. And if you're not familiar with Verdana Village, you should definitely check out our video and see what it's all about.